So, welcome to the video. My name is Dante. Before we get into the video, I want to ask you to like and subscribe for a good. And if you subscribe, maybe I can make better content and help support the channel. Now let's begin. Okay. I don't feel in the mood to swim. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm playing a horror mod called The Man from the Fog. I can speed bridge. Let's just line it up real quick and anyway, I can just yeah. So I'm playing a horror mod named The Man from the Fog. It looks like this weird long thingy. He looks like a damn idiot. Damn it. Stop running around like a little bee. Oh, I should be safe from this guy. Where is he? Stupid mother trucker. Oh, bye.